In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a Mailchimp audience. Whether you're restructuring your marketing strategy or simply need a more descriptive name for your audience, this straightforward process will help you keep your Mailchimp account organized. We'll begin by logging into your Mailchimp account. You'll want to navigate to the main dashboard where all your tools and settings are accessible. Once there, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. Among the options listed, you'll see one labeled Audience. Go ahead and click on this to proceed. This will take you to the area where all your audience settings and data are managed. If you manage multiple audiences in Mailchimp, it's important to select the specific audience you wish to rename. This will help you avoid any confusion and ensures that you're making changes to the correct data set. Simply click on the audience you intend to modify. After selecting the appropriate audience, direct your attention to the All Contacts section. Clicking on this will provide you with an overview of the existing contacts within that audience. This area serves as the hub for all contacts related actions. Next, look for Settings and click on it. This is where you can modify various audience configurations, including the name. Within the settings, you'll find a subsection labeled Audience Settings. Within this area lies the option to rename your audience. Here you'll see the current name of your audience displayed. To initiate a change, locate the Edit option right next to the audience name. When you're ready to give your audience a new name, click on the Edit button. This action will open up the audience name field, allowing you to replace the existing name. Feel free to type in the new name that best fits your needs. Be descriptive and clear, as a well-named audience can make all the difference in maintaining organization within your marketing campaigns. Finally, after inputting your new audience name, don't forget to save your changes. At the bottom or near the name field you should find an option labeled Save Audience Name. Click on this button to ensure that your changes are applied. And that's it, you've successfully renamed your Mailchimp audience. Keeping your audience names up to date and relevant not only streamlines your workflow, but also enhances your ability to track and manage marketing campaigns effectively. Thanks for following along and happy organizing.